Okay everyone, here we are again by this pool to check out this Beatbot Sora 30 and the iSkim pool cleaner bundle. It's a 2-robot pool cleaning system. One robot handles the surface, the other handles everything underneath. With this combo, it's not only about a thorough clean, but also about efficiency. During this World Cup season, you may want to have more barbecue parties, then cleaning up your pool should be done often. So let's look at how they work. The basic concept is that keeping a pool clean isn't a single task. Stuff on the surface and stuff underwater act differently. So Beatbot built 2 separate machines to handle each zone. iSkim stays on the waterline, while Sora 30 covers the bottom, steps, walls, and the place where the water meets the wall. Beatbot calls this a total pool care system. Now with this iSkim cleaner, you see those 2 little jets at the back. They can really push the robot faster. So cleaning the surface becomes a quicker job. In my testing, having both units running created a noticeable difference in how the pool looked overall. The surface stayed clearer than the manual cleaning, and the underwater area felt more consistently maintained. Now let's look at the iSkim first. This is the floating unit that stays on the waterline and continuously pulls in debris. It has a 9-liter debris basket, very large honestly, a wide intake opening measuring 29 by 270 millimeters, and a 24-watt solar panel built into the top. The internal battery is a 10,000 mAh, and Beatbot says it can run for up to 28 hours on a single charge. The benefit is that the iSkim keeps skimming throughout the day, so you don't have to keep grabbing the net to clean the pool surface. You can manage it through the app and set up schedules. Like you let it run a few hours every day, you really don't need to charge it very often. The surface is usually the first thing that makes a pool look dirty, especially if you have trees overhead where the wind is blowing. iSkim is meant to cut down on how often you have to grab a hand net every time something lands on the water. It also handles edges and corners, which is where debris tends to gather. So if you have trees and grass near the pool, a surface machine with a 9-liter debris basket is very necessary. During my test, iSkim was working in the background while I did something else. I checked on it occasionally, and it was steadily pulling in surface debris. While we're inside watching the game or getting ready for guests, iSkim keeps the surface clean. After a few hours, I opened the bin and saw a solid amount of leaves, small insects, and fine particles inside. The 9-liter size is genuinely useful, saves me a lot of time. The solar panel seemed to help keep it running without me needing to plug it in constantly. For pools surrounded by trees, this kind of a non-stop surface cleaning makes a real difference. Now for the Sora 30, this machine handles the pool bottom, steps, walls, and the waterline area. It has 6,800 gallons per hour of suction power, a 5.2-liter filter bin, and 150 micron filtration included in the box. There's also an optional 3-micron fine filter add-on if you want even finer capture. The battery is also 10,000 mAh with up to 5 hours of runtime. It has a smart surface parking and a one-touch app retrieval, so it rises to the top near the edge when it's done. Sora 30 is doing the heavier work. Debris on the floor, dirt, sand, and build up along the walls and waterline need stronger suction and physical scrubbing contact. The step cleaning is a nice addition too. It can operate in water as shallow as 8 inches. This is for the ledge or shallow shelf, and it has a sensor to detect edge to keep it running on the platform. I ran Sora 30 after a few hours. It covered the floor with a good pattern, climbed the walls, and scrubbed along the waterline. The suction strength was noticeable when I watched it pull up heavier debris. When it finished it rose to the surface and parked near the edge, which made grubbing it much easier. Opening the bin, there's a clear mix of sand, small leaves, and fine dirt. The waterline scrubbing was particularly useful. That's an area you usually have to clean by hand. So Again, the iSkim keeps the surface clean, but Sora 30 is the deep cleaner in this setup. Now, after both machines finished, the iSkim's 9-liter bin had a mix of floating leaves, insects, pollen, and the fine surface particles. Sora 30's 5.2-liter bin had sand, dirt, and underwater debris from the floor and walls. Seeing the two bins side by side made it obvious that these machines were collecting completely different types of debris from completely different zones. So, if you want a cleaner pool, two machines is the way to go. The last thing I wanted to test was whether this bundle actually reduces how often you need to manage the pool. You see, the iSkim's solar charging and a long runtime meant it could stay on the surface for quite some time without much input from you. You can set a schedule through the app and mostly left it alone. Sora 30, you can run it before weekends or before having people over, since that's when you want the pool to look good. So the value here is that they clean well without you interrupt of the work. The other thing to make the workflow easy is the app. The app control for both machines was straightforward. No complicated settings to manipulate. Just choose the mode and let the machines do the work. Scheduling iSkim was simple, and retrieving Sora 30 with one touch from the app worked well. The overall workflow felt really easy. So does the Beatbot Sora 30 and the iSkim bundle actually make sense? After using both for quite a few times, I think the answer is yes. If you want a setup where surface debris is handled continuously and the underwater areas got a proper deep scrub on a schedule, the two-machine approach has a real value behind it. It's not about having more robots, it's about having the right tool for the jobs. Okay, if you're interested in these machines, there's a link below the video. This is Will from China. See you next time.